Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I went from my natural hair to long straight hair and then back to voluminous curly hair, all brought to you today by MaxFull Hair. This hair is really affordable. You can find it on Amazon and I'm going to give you all the details right now. This hair is their seamless clip-in human hair extensions, and I got the color number 2, which is their darkest brown. I really like it because I'm used to wearing number 4 at the darkest, so now that I color my hair, I can wear number 2, which I love. I got it in 18 inches and it's 115 grams. This is a 7-piece set, and y'all, look at how thin this band is. I have worn so many different clip-ins over the years, but these are by far the most comfortable clip-ins that I've ever had. My hair has been straight for a couple of weeks in this video, so I decided to go ahead and run the flat iron through my hair on lower heat, and I took larger sections than I normally do to just give my hair a really quick run through with the flat iron. I feel like this really helps it to match and mimic the extensions a little bit better because my hair with the humidity and all that is starting to puff up a little bit more. I used, I believe, 320 degrees Fahrenheit.
Follow the signs, you're looking like a one-way. Gotta make the right choice. Hope I make the right noise. Hoping that you like boys like me. I know you're feeling me from across the room. I got a feeling you could be my muse. I hear strange when I see you. You say green, but I see blue. Either way, your eyes the ones I'm looking to. When I'm hell first, falling from heaven, baby. Living on the prayer that you catch and save me. I was unaware of our elevation till I looked down. All the people look like it's now high. When you're on my side, high up in the sky.
Once my hair was flat ironed, I started to apply the clip-ins. This is going to vary for each person. You just have to figure out which length of clip-in will be best for each part of your head. I started by teasing my hair at the root just to give the comb something to hold on to, but then I realized I didn't really need to do that, so I stopped. It's very easy to apply. I just slide the combs into my scalp. Not my scalp, y'all. These clip-ins are extremely comfortable. I usually get a headache when I wear clip-ins, and so I have to remove them each night. I have not had to do this. I've kept these clip-ins attached to my hair the entire time that I've been wearing them, and I have no headaches or anything like that. They really mimic tape-ins as far as how thin the band is, but I've always shied away from tape-ins because I just don't want that adhesive on the top and the bottom of my hair all throughout my hair. So this is an excellent alternative to that. I still get the same look without the potential harmful effects of the tape-in adhesive. If you want to make sure that your clip-ins are secure, you have to listen for that snap. So I'm gonna let you hear it with a little ASMR right now. Because my natural hair is so thick, I was originally apprehensive about how much hair I was given, but this was enough to give my hair a full look. and just give it a little bit more length. If your hair is thinner or just as thick as mine, I think one set of clip-ins should be fine for you. If you like a fuller look, you might be okay getting another set of hair. My issue is that you might not have room on your head to apply all the clip-ins if you get another set. One way to get around that is by cornrolling your hair, but if you want to leave your hair out like I have mine, you might run into some difficulty with the clip-ins actually fitting on the circumference of your head. So now I'm going in with this curl wand, some humidity hairspray, and flexi rods to change up the style a little bit.
Pretend it's not there. Say I don't care when I just might be available for something reciprocal. Available emotionally. Do you really want to know what I'm thinking?
You can definitely remove these flexi rods after like 10 to 15 minutes once the hair has cooled down. I decided to sleep in mine, so here we are the next morning, and I'm going to remove the flexi rods. And down there you can take one of those. I've been wearing these clip-ins for 2 weeks now, and there's very minimum shedding, there's very minimal tangling, and I have been unintentionally catfishing everybody. Everybody's been giving me compliments on how long my hair has gotten. Some people I let them know it's not mine, others I don't tell them.
Whoa. That's good. That's very good. That's not for the family. That's very good. I got that.
You're welcome. I'm going to take you through a couple of days in my hair. Here we are a week later. As I said, I have not removed these clip-ins, and so they started to slide a little bit, but they were still holding on for dear life, so I wore them some more. I decided to do another style with these clip-ins. I just cornrowed the front of my hair and added the clips into my ponytail. I'm amazed at how good these clip-ins feel and how good they blend with my natural hair. If you like this look, if you want to get some clip-ins yourself, head to Amazon. I'll leave the links below. If you decide to get them, make sure you tag them on your social medias. Comment below and let me know if you end up getting some. If you want to learn more about what I'm doing with my hair these days, make sure you subscribe for my next video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope it helps some of you out. Bye.